So why should you actually tune in to yet another YouTube channel about any kind of leadership advice? Hi, my name is Vin Schultz. I run a company called Clipper Thriving Teams, and I'm offering advice. What I find is that many people on the various different social media channels, they offer point advice. Do this, and then this will happen, and that magically makes all kinds of challenges disappear. And if that is what you're looking for, keep scrolling. This is not it. Because hardly anyone really offers a 360-degree approach when you are transitioning from being a successful individual contributor into your first management role, where you suddenly are responsible for a group of people. When I started out, I started leading without that formal authority. I was not promoted into a management role. I had to get things done, and I had to be able to get people to do the work. So I had to take these people along, and I think this gave me a significant advantage. Because when you actually look at it, there are 4 dimensions to the whole game. There is an external element of teams. This is structures, roles, competencies, processes. It's typically easy to grasp. It is possible to describe. And then you have these internal elements in the group, the crazy stuff, the emotions, the behaviors, discussions around meaning and purpose. Everybody sort of like is involved in some shape or form. And that is typically a challenging part for many people. Then, of course, you have to navigate. You got to have certain level of metrics to really understand I'm going in the right direction. This is where I need to be heading towards. And then eventually the 4th dimension is you as the leader. Because what got you here is not going to make you successful going forward. This is not about being the best person at an individual contributor role. You're not asked to produce the stuff like you did before. Now you're being asked to actually help others produce. That's the key thing. So it is as much changing you and yourself as it is trying to or attempting to change and shape the group or your surroundings. So if you are interested, tune in, because that's my mission. I am trying to help you go from being a stellar individual contributor to become really a successful but also happy leader of a very successful organization.